Welcome to your group space. As a parent, you have access to view your students' classroom information without ever having to leave the parent portal. Let's start by clicking on Groups Dashboard. Your dashboard will show recent additions to the calendar and resources. You can view your own activity stream or the activity stream of any one of your students by selecting their name and clicking Apply. You can view an individual class by hovering over Classes and clicking on a class. Return home by clicking on Dashboard. Homework will be posted in the calendar. If you'd prefer to receive an email rather than check the portal, you can sign up for calendar alerts. Simply click on Calendar Tools, then select Calendar Alerts. Here you can sign up for as many or as few calendar alerts as you'd like. You can also select when and how you'd like to receive the alert. If you have enabled text messages, you will be able to receive a text update when a homework assignment is added. Much like School Fusion, you can also send and receive messages. Messages are set up for parents and students to send messages directly to the teacher.